Hey friends, bye bye to 2021. It's like how I spent my 2021. This video is all about it. So, firstly, in a fab, I got admission in GMC Bedia, and there's a whole lot of people which I found useful for my academics and a lot of things like my education in MBBS, and it will continue for next four years, and I will get doctor before my name, that like Dr. Garima Kuswaha after 5 or 4 years. So the journey continues from when my NEET 2020, and I scored 601 out of 720, and I was allotted GMC Bedia, and this city is pretty good, but there's a lot of things which is not so good. Like there's a lot of workers who daily wagers who do a lot more difficult things, like they put heavy loads on their back. As I am going to be doctor, not be like that, because it will affect their scapula. Okay, and a lot of practicals which I have done during this session of my classes, and a lot of exams. In the first semester I have given my best, but in seconds I was a little bit, I got a little bit lower marks. But in upcoming exams from next month, like in Jan 19, from Jan 19 there would be my professional exams, so I would be doing my best and giving my best to my professional upcoming exams. As to my academics, then I would be a good doctor, so that I can perform the practicals on the human body with ease and with the flow. And what I can say, that 2021 has taught me a lot, and there was certain things which I have done, like I have driven a car of my uncle, and this was a first experience for me to drive a car, and I thank my uncle for that, for giving me to drive a car. And I have visited a lot of places in Rajgir, and suddenly, and my other uncle both live in other states. Like my second number uncle lives in Mughal Sarai, and he is a railway officer, and my third number or second number uncle is PD teacher at Navodaya Vidyalaya, and my father is senior tuberculosis lab supervisor, and my mother is family counselor. They all teaches me a lot, and this society teaches me a lot, because life is all about learning something new every day. Time will pass, and one day I have to bid adieu from earth. So before I am going to sleep, or when I would say bye bye to earth, I have to do a lot of things. I have to do a lot of things before bidding adieu to Mother Earth. And I think that my life is meant for something that helps people in their life, and making it more with the flow. Okay, like what I can say, that 2021 has teaches me that yes, practice makes a man perfect. As I always say, practice makes a man perfect. So MC Bedia, and this corona has given me the time to pursue the things which I want in my life, like making videos on YouTube and getting the family like all of you is a pretty good thing. And in the upcoming days, I think that my YouTube channel will grow, so I keep making videos. So if you are new and if you watch my videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is the NEET Medical GK, and Creativity with GGR, and Creativity with RK. And at Creativity with RK, my sister makes a lot of pretty good crafts which you can watch and make your own crafts and from my channel you will get to prepare your NEET and the tips and tricks which I share on my YouTube channel. Things which I have done, I have made a lot of videos on YouTube. I have made studies and I came to learn new things. Like anatomy is a pretty good subject in which I came to know the arteries, veins and lymphatics of every part of my body and the organs, from head and neck to the abdomen to the pelvis to the upper limb, which there is axillary artery, and then what I can say is radial artery, and then ulnar artery behind the middle epicondyle, and a lot of things I get to know about the functions which my body performs and the homeostasis it maintains. And in biochemistry you get to know the chemical composition of the things, like LFTs and etc, like kidney function test and a lot of yes, I have done dissection on a human body. This was a first time experience for me that I have dissected a human body, and yes, I thank the cadaver for being the cadaver for me, because it teaches me that in the upcoming years when I would become doctor, the cadavers done on the cadavers has helped me to know the parts and how to do surgery or etc things, and I came to know that where the arteries or veins or any other thing lies. So this was a first experience for me to dissect a body, and it was a pretty good experience for me. So for the upcoming year 2022, I want to achieve great things in my academics and perform well in my professional exams. And what I can do is I want to be economically stand on my own legs, like I would do freelancing or etc things, so that I can also bear my expenditures or any other things like that, because money matters. Yes, and we are youngsters and we can do a lot of things for the upcoming years, or what I can say, we are the new India. And yes, when I will become doctor, it will enhance my capabilities and the things which I can do for the society. So this was all about the year 2021. So all the best, and yes, all the best and happy new year, and bye bye 2021.